Hi everyone, this is Maya. I'm 22 years old. I'm from village. This is the day one of learning English with me. Yes, I promised myself this year I'm gonna speak fluent English by the end of 2026. I feel scared and nervous, but I'm so excited. I I started my first YouTube channel. I decided long time ago, but I was not not confident enough, and I scared of starting. It's not like that. I'm confident right now. I'm nervous and I'm not confident also, but I want to start this year and I want to become a serious for my language because I start learning since when I in 12th grade, when I 12th standard, but because of lot of reason or I'm not consistent, that's why I'm not improve my English. But this time I will serious. I will practice my English every day here, and I will share my daily life, my thoughts, my mistakes, and even some strategy or methods that help us to improve our English. Like how can I practice grammar? How can I practice pronunciation? How can I improve my vocabulary? Like that stuff. It's not just about language, but I want to improve my communication skill and I want to be confident because I'm little bit in shy person and introvert person, and I'm staying at home and I'm not talking with lot of people. I'm not going out, but because of I feel like my communication is not that good, but I want to serious this time and improve my English. If you are a beginner like me, this channel is for you. I hope this channel helps me to improve my English. This is my first step toward my English. I hope you are support me, and thank you for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.